Àkọlé iṣẹ́ wa ti òní ni ìtàn ìṣẹ̀dálẹ̀ àgbáńlá ayé. Ìtàn ìṣẹ̀dálẹ̀ àgbáńlá ayé. Myth on creation of the universe. Ọ̀nà mẹ́ta ni àwọn òpìtàn lò láti sọ nípa ìtàn ìṣẹ̀dálẹ̀ àgbáyé. Àwọn ni: the historians divided the story as regards to creation of the universe in three different ways, three different versions, and they are: 1. Ìgbàgbọ́ àwọn Yorùbá. 2. Ìgbàgbọ́ àwọn Jew. 3. Ìgbàgbọ́ àwọn onímọ̀ sáyẹ́ǹsì, that is, beliefs of the Yorùbás, belief of the Jew, belief of the scientist. A ó wo wọ́n ní ẹyọ kọ̀ọ̀kan. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí ìgbàgbọ́ Yorùbá, kìkìdá omi ní abẹ́ ọ̀run wà tẹ́lẹ̀, that is, the whole world is full of water. Olódùmarè rán Odùduwà láti ọ̀run wá dá ayé. Odùduwà fi ẹ̀wọ̀n rọ̀ pẹ̀lú adìyẹ ẹlẹ́sẹ̀ mẹ́rin, èkùrọ́ àti yẹ̀pẹ̀ nínú ìkarahun ìgbín. Èkùrọ́ tí Odùduwà fi sí ilẹ̀ ló wù tí ó di igi ọ̀pẹ àti ewéko. What are we trying to say? According to the Yoruba belief, it is of the belief that the whole world is full of water, and Olódùmarè, which is referred to as God, sent Oduduwa from heaven down to the earth to create the universe. Some even believe that it was Obatala that was first sent by Olódùmarè, but because he got drunk and he couldn't complete this function, then Oduduwa fi ẹ̀wọ̀n rọ̀ pẹ̀lú adìyẹ, that is, came down to the world with a chain alongside with a fowl with 4 legs, palm nuts, and also sand, which is inside shell. He used his leg according to the ability. He dropped the fowl, and the fowl used his leg to spread the sand all over the ground, and that is why they call it Ile-Ife. Ìgbàgbọ́ àwọn Jew. We'll be looking at the Jewish belief as regards the creation of the universe. According to the Christians, if you look at the book of Genesis chapter 1 verse 11, it is believed that the whole world was full of water, and God used the word of his mouth, which is Oren, which is Ashe, to create the universe. You can see this in the book of Genesis chapter 1 verse 11. And it is also believed that it took God how many days? 6 days to create the whole world. And he rested on the 7th day. That is why we say ọjọ́ mẹ́fà ni Ọlọ́run fi dá ayé, ó sì sinmi ní ọjọ́ keje. Ìgbàgbọ́ àwọn onímọ̀ sáyẹ́ǹsì, which most of us refer to as well, the Big Bang. The Big Bang. Yoruba believe that, according to the scientists, that something that was so round, circular, round, that was hot, fell all the way from heaven and landed on the earth, became dry land, and where it did not touch are where we have waters, as in sea. It is also believed that it is from the ground that plants came into existence, and also human beings, animals, all were from where? From the ground, according to the scientist belief. What are those things that we can say about these three beliefs? It is assumed that the world was void from the start before something happened.